A person's most powerful asset is not the head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, an ear ready to listen, and a hand willing to help. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bhagya. I am an Ayurvedic doctor, yoga therapist and spiritual healer. Welcome to my channel Heal with Dr. Bhagya. My videos are based on Ayurveda, yoga, nutrition, spirituality and awareness. My today's video is Power of Giving. I am going to narrate a story of Krishna, Arjun and a poor Brahman. Krishna and Arjun used to go for walk in the evening where Krishna would share his valuable knowledge to Arjun. One day during their walk, they saw a poor Brahman begging. Arjun felt pity for him and gave him a bag of gold coins. The poor Brahman was very happy to receive the money, thanked Arjun and started to walk back his home. On his way, he saw one needy person, but ignored him as he wanted to reach home as soon as possible with those gold coins. After walking few meters, the Brahman was robbed by a thief and reached home empty-handed and cried for a while on his luck and then returned the next day to begging. When Arjun saw Brahman again begging, he called him and asked reason. The Brahman told him about whole incident. Again Arjun felt pity for him and gave him a valuable diamond this time. The Brahman was very happy and went towards his home. After reaching home, he put diamond in an old pot, that is mataka, and slept peacefully. In the morning, when he woke up, he was terrified to see the pot was missing, and he went to his wife and asked her about the pot. His wife told him that today morning when I went to fill the river water, our new mataka slipped from my hand and broke. So I used the old mataka to fill the water. Then the Brahman asked his wife, did she see anything in the pot? She replied as, when I was filling the water, I felt like something fell into the river. Brahman couldn't believe his bad luck and again started begging. Next day, again Arjun saw that Brahman and was surprised to see him begging again. Arjun asked that Brahman, what happened now? Brahman told about the incident to Arjun and Krishna. Then Arjun said, if I give you my complete wealth also, it will not going to change your fate. Hearing this, Krishna smiled and gave that Brahman 2 paise. Seeing this, Arjuna asked Krishna, when my bag full of gold coins and treasured diamond couldn't improve his fate, then how will this 2 paise of yours will do any good to him? Then Krishna smiled and replied, wait and watch. As the Brahman was walking towards his home, cursing his fate, he saw a fish caught by a fisherman struggling for his life. He felt pity on the fish and thought, this 2 paise can't give me food. I should at least save the life of this creature. And he bought the fish, and as he about to throw it in the river, he saw something stuck in the fish's throat. He saved the life of fish by taking that thing out and surprised to see that the thing was nothing but the diamond which his wife had lost. He felt overjoyed and started shouting as, I found it, I found it. At the same time, the thief who robbed him 2 days back was passing by that way and he heard this sound. He thought he recognized him. Now thief was afraid that if this Brahman took me to the king, then I would be punished. He immediately apologized to the Brahman and returned the bag of gold coins. The Brahman returned home happily by getting his both properties back together. Then the next day, the Brahman told this story to Krishna and Arjun. and thanked both of them. Then Arjun asked Krishna, "O Lord, how did it happen?" Then Sri Krishna replied, "When he had gold coins and diamond, he was thinking only of himself and his needs. But when he had 2 paise, then he valued the need of another creature in front of him. So I took care of his needs." The truth is, when you think about pain and needs of others and work to help them, then you are doing God's work. Therefore, God Himself takes care of your needs. When you have enough to help others, then don't let that chance go. Your good deeds will always be repaid to you. When you wish good for others, and then good will come back to you in an unexpected way. This is the law of nature. Stay healthy, be happy. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.